I'm back with another great Amazon find. This is the Deer C remote control car. In this instance, it's gonna be a truck. The DE45 Rock Crawler. Woo! Let's get right into it. Let's unbox this bad boy. Boom! Got it there. I went ahead and pre-cut the slits. I've never opened it before, so I have no clue what we're gonna get here. We open it up, packaged nicely with the styrofoam in there. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of there. Great packaging, nice and secure. Let's take them out one at a time. Whoop, there we go. Wow, boom, tires out there. Whoa, comes with a great remote control there. I assume this is going to take some batteries. Yes, AA batteries required. Hopefully we have some in the box there so we can get a tutorial going. Obviously this is forward, backwards, and you can turn left or right with this control and the on and off button there. Once again, that's left and right, forward and back. We have a cable here. And we have the main product. Look at that bad boy. This is the Adventure 8, the Deer C remote control car. Nice suspenders there. Look at that. For all-terrain purposes. You can really climb some rocks on that. I can tell just by that alignment there. Wow, great, nice and sturdy. Listen, this is not one of those little cars that won't be able to climb anything or run in the grass. This will be able to drive on the grass, I can tell. It does come with an extra piece that you can actually attach here as well. Looks like it did come with a battery for the car, and we'll go ahead and get that in there as well. Looks like that's all that came in the box. So you have the Deer C remote control car, and I'm going to take this out there and I'm going to go ahead and run it around and see what it can do. Wow, headlights at the top, great battery. We got to go ahead and get a screwdriver to get in there for maximum, maximum security on that. They have this control here. I'm not exactly sure what that does just yet, but I can tell you right now that this is going to be really cool to play with. A really great gift for your kid if they want to go outside on the grass. Went ahead and went outside. Boom, another one. Listen, let's go ahead and let the truck do the work. I want to show you guys what this thing can do on some all-terrain environment here. Put it down. Let's see what you got. Here with that. Wow, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Can you see it now? Crawling the rocks. This comes with an extra battery, a cooler screwdriver, and this cable, extra cable in case you need to install it inside of here. Very easy. 1, 2, 3. Took me 2 seconds to get it installed. If I turn this on, we get a. If I turn this remote on here, we get a green light that pops on. Go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Boom. Look at that. Look at the wheels. Watch the accent here. This remote control car. Very easy to use. Forward, backwards, left, right. You can't get any easier than that. Make sure, once again, it's the Deer C D45 Rock Climbing Edition remote control truck. Wow. Amazing. Boom.